Thanks for joining, guys. Welcome to the stream. తలుపు దగ్గరికి పో. నువ్వు కూడా వెళ్ళు. నువ్వెందుకు మళ్ళీ కాకపోతే చెల్లి కాకపోతే దీనికి వెళ్తాం మనం. బా అమ్మ నువ్వు పోయినప్పుడు వాసన రావట్లే. సపరేట్ నువ్వు సపరేట్ ఊరికే ఏదో ఒకటి గోల చేస్తుంటావు. వాట్ Good morning, Madhav. That's certainly a retest. Just doing an Nifty. Okay, that sounds like some kind of test. ఏం లేవు సంగతులు ఏమన్నా ఇక్కడ చూడాల్సింది ఒక నిమిషం. Nifty is looking strong than Bank Nifty. Nifty is shooting up slowly. Bank Nifty is sideways. So हम wait करेंगे again. As I said on the other day, this is going to be our resistance zone. We shall wait for these level to break. Until then, We are not taking any trades. कैनरा बैंक 244 243 पे चल रहा. 245 कॉल. How is this doing? Okay, and that is a huge one, heavy call. That's going to be high premium call. High premium call it is. So Nifty looks strong enough, so we might enter Nifty. Okay. Mhm. I'm still waiting for the opportunity to get in. If it is a retest, you will see a good up move. Otherwise, if it is trying to break this zone on a shorter time frame, then we might see further downfall basically. I think it is trying to fall. 17,300 put. How is it? Okay. Okay. So probably this is going to be my take for now. Second, let me see. I will wait for that level. If that isn't breaking, then I will probably take a put option. Okay, that looks like it. Okay. Mhm. The high premiums, man. The very huge high premiums. So I don't know whether you guys will be able to take that. Mhm. It is a volatile. Mohit, good morning. Thanks for joining. Thanks for joining. It's a volatile one and the premiums are high. Probably I'm expecting if this is breaking a trend line like this at the bottom, then you will see an up move. Downfall. Otherwise, it's going to be breaking yesterday's or previous trades high. So देखेंगे क्या होता है बोल के. Because this is some kind of retest which I was looking for. So it's an up move, obviously, but you'll have to wait for these levels. And if this is breaking, good resistance zone, then we can take a call option. Otherwise, avoid. चलो, okay, अच्छी बात, nice one. Okay. It has to break. It has to break at least, previous day's high. At least that resistance has to be broken. Otherwise, I don't think we want to take positions. Even BN is also with lot of high premiums. There are very very high premiums in even BN. So not looking good for now. I would say avoid for now. Avoid trading. हाँ ब्रेकआउट तो दिया मगर एंट्री नहीं मिला भाई, इसीलिए झटके से नीचे मारा. सो बिफोर आई टेक एन एंट्री इट शॉट डाउन. Hmm. So are we ready for some trades, guys? Hmm. Chalo. Ready? 17,300 call. Okay, guys. How is it doing? Hmm. No good volume. The no man, not looking good. Nifty is moving up and Bank Nifty is falling down. That's so weird. The premiums are very very high. So very very high. Selling a buy up. Let's check how UBL is actually doing. Okay. Ah, What a jump in UBL in 15 minutes candle. It's a clear, complete close of the candle. UBL. Okay, check. I think I gave this UBL call if I'm not mistaken. Let's check HCL Tech. Okay. Maybe a chai away. Okay. HCL Tech call, guys. Let's take that. HCL Tech call. Okay. HCL Tech 1120, and that's at 33 rupees. Okay, so premium is so high, man. 33. Check your Infosys status, guys. Right. So okay. Chalo Nifty B. It is trying to form lower lows here. Completely volatile. The Nifty Bank Nifty is completely down. However, it has that some volume in it. So 37, and moreover, even if you want to take, the premiums are very high. So that is scalping कर लेंगे भाई. It isn't doing good at all. Scalping चलेगा बोल के सोच रहा हूँ मैं. So huge premiums, man. So huge. I don't know which strike price to give you guys. Which is very, very huge. Okay, so ये चेक कर लो भाई. बैंक निफ्टी पे 38,000 कॉल ट्राई कर लो. ठीक है. It's at 650 655 चल रहा अभी. ले लो. But that's going to be high premium, guys. ठीक है. So I am only, this is kind of scalping trade only. So I've already given it. Yeah, with a small trade, very, very small trade. लिया क्या मोहित कुछ? Did you take it? Okay, लिया क्या? ठीक है, nice, nice. You should trail it. You should trail it. Don't hold it, guys. Don't hold it. You should trail it. कितने पे लिया तुम? चलो देख लो भाई, आपका पोजीशंस देख लो अभी. कॉल पोजीशंस देख लो. Start trailing it. 38,000 call is around 653 now. 650 कुछ चल रहा. Okay, start 17,350 call, right? अभी लिया क्या? हाँ, you might have taken just now, I guess. Okay, ठीक है, अच्छी बात. No problem, no problem. It is at 2:30 around now. Okay, probably above 2:30 you start trailing. Okay. Stop loss to hit हो रहा. I'm waiting for that candle to close. How is this Bank Nifty? Nifty is still volatile, man. Huge volatility here. Whoever is ready for that high premium can take it, otherwise avoid it. And moreover, remember, if you are taking positions आज लिए तो you have to close your positions by end of the day. Don't hold it for tomorrow. ठीक है, नहीं लेना है. So if there is a BTST मैं बताता हूँ by evening, शाम बताता हूँ क्या लेने का. So अभी तो don't hold any positions. If you are taking any positions now, don't hold it for evening. Okay, you have to close all your positions if you are taking any position now. So शाम तक कल तक नहीं होल्ड करना है. अभी भी ले सकते हैं मैंने. If you guys want, you can still take a Bank Nifty call option. Okay, premiums are high, but yeah, you can still take it. देख लो भाई, देखो देखो, ये तो हो गया भाई. सो आई थिंक हमारा टारगेट भी हिट हो जाएगा बोल के सोच रहा हूँ मैं. लेट इट गो. $38,000 call, guys. Did you guys check it? Okay, check your positions guys, check your positions now and start trailing it guys. Hit हो गया कहाँ? What is it? पता नहीं. नहीं target तो I'm still waiting, but yeah, you can trail it. It has actually crossed this trend line, so we are good to close our positions or trail it. Okay, trail your positions or close it. But if you still want to hold it, keep this trend line as a stop loss now. Okay, and book your profits based on that. ठीक है. मुझे लग रहा है कि I think it will further go up, but let's see. It is actually looking to break today's high. Nifty though, I been telling it since morning. Nifty though it is very strong बोल के. So इसीलिए निफ्टी में दिया मैं. If you are booking profits, good guys, good, 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 good. ठीक है. Seventeen above. I'm bull. Anand Nandu. Hi, welcome back. Book some profit. Okay, nice. 17.3 I'm bullish. लेवल तो लेवल तो मैं भी बोल सकता हूँ भाई. 73-74 बोल के. See, you can check the video that I posted yesterday about the resistance and support zones and breakout zones as well and retest zones, etc. So you can follow that as well. Yeah, 373 is also fine. So if it is actually breaking this level, sustaining above this, we can take long positions. कुछ लिया क्या आनंद? But any positions that you are taking today, close them today by all means. Don't hold them. Okay, you shouldn't be holding them. And kal morning probably we'll take one call early morning and then hold them for budget. Probably if there is an opportunity, I'll make a video on budget strategy and post it. Okay. So, I didn't fly on Friday due to budget. Okay, I didn't fly. Try be careful. I would say for a budget day, you know, ఆప్షన్ సెల్లింగ్ స్ట్రాటజీస్ ఆర్ మనకి కొద్దిగా రిస్క్ ఉంటుంది అనుకుంటున్నాను నేనైతే. ఆప్షన్ సెల్లింగ్ స్ట్రాటజీస్ ఆన్ బడ్జెట్ డే. కానీ ఏంటి షార్ట్ స్ట్రాటజీస్ లాంగ్ డిస్టెన్స్లో తీసుకోవడానికి ట్రై చేయొచ్చు. ఒకవేళ వాలటిలిటీ అంటే హ్యూజ్ రేంజ్ బౌండ్ కానీ లేకపోతే హై వీ షేప్స్ ఉన్నా కానీ మనకి బెనిఫిట్ అవుతుంది. కానీ ఐరన్ ఫ్లై ఈజ్ గుడ్ ఇనఫ్. ఐ డోంట్ సే ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎన్ ఇష్యూ. కానీ యూనో దేంట్లో నిఫ్టీలోనా బ్యాంక్ నిఫ్టీలో చేసావో తెలియదు కానీ మూవ్మెంట్ మాత్రం చాలా డ్రాస్టిక్గా ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి ఐరన్ ఫ్లై అనేది నాకు తెలిసి మీకు ఒక 400-500 పాయింట్స్ రేంజ్లోనే ఐరన్ ఫ్లై చేసి ఉంటారు. సో కీప్ దట్ ఇన్ మైండ్. ఒకవేళ మూవ్మెంట్ బాగా వచ్చిందంటే మొత్తం, ఎందుకంటే ప్రీమియమ్స్ కూడా హై ఉన్నాయి. సో యూ రిమెంబర్ దాట్. అందుకే ఒకవేళ మీరు ఐరన్ ఫ్లై ఉంది అంటే నాకైతే అంత పాజిటివ్ ఒపీనియన్ లేదు ఇప్పుడైతే, బడ్జెట్ డేకి అట్లీస్ట్. పోస్ట్ బడ్జెట్ ఏదైనా కావచ్చు కానీ 17,100 స్టార్ట్ డీల్ ఒకటి, తర్వాత 16,650 పుట్ ఓకే ఎడ్జ్ పొజిషన్. ఏమో బీ కేర్ఫుల్, ఎందుకంటే ఒకటేసారి ఒక 400-500 పాయింట్స్ కొట్టింది అనుకో నిఫ్టీలోనే, దెన్ ఇట్ విల్ బి ఎ టఫ్ సిచ్యువేషన్ టు హ్యాండిల్. అండ్ మోర్ ఓవర్ ఏంటంటే బడ్జెట్ రోజు అసలు ప్రీమియమ్స్ మెల్ట్ అవుతాయి అని నేనైతే అనుకోవట్లే. అది కూడా మనకి రేపే కాబట్టి. సో ప్రాబబ్లీ యూ హ్యావ్ టు బి వెరీ వెరీ కేర్ఫుల్ నన్ను అడిగితే. సో చూసుకొని అడ్జస్ట్మెంట్స్, లేకపోతే నాకు తెలిసి స్ట్రిక్ట్ స్టాప్ లాస్ ఆల్రెడీ జీటీటీలో పెట్టడం ఏదో ఒకటి చేస్తే బెటర్. ఓకే ఆనంద్. Mohit, sideways. Yes, it is kind of sideways. It is actually volatile, I would say. Falls down, goes up, falls down, goes up. See, just to give me my profit here, it isn't still doing it. चलो अभी तो बुक हुआ ना थोड़ा. We have booked some profit at least, so that's still fine. So tomorrow is going to be a big day. Probably most of the times, we will be taking only buy positions. I'm not going to sell tomorrow. I'm not going to take any sell positions. Option selling तो नहीं करता हूँ मैं कल. So it's going to be only buying opportunity for me. I'm sure. So just like every year that I do, I will only be doing buying on budget day and with some 15,000 risk or so. So let's have that rundown. Okay. నో. ఓకే. సో, అనంత్ ఇప్పుడు మాక్సిమం 8K రిస్క్ అని కనపడుతుంది గానీ, ఇప్పుడు ఒకవేళ సింగిల్ సైడ్ మూవ్‌మెంట్ నీకు ఓకే. సీ దిస్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ వి హావ్ విత్ వన్ ప్రాబ్లమ్ విత్ అనలైజ్ ఆపర్చునిటీ ఇన్ సెన్సిబుల్. సీ మాక్సిమం 8 తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు మాక్సిమం లాస్ 8 లేకపోతే మాక్సిమం ప్రాఫిట్ 8 ఉందని కనపడుతుందనుకో ఒకవేళ అలా. ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే మనం సెల్లింగ్ పొజిషన్స్ కాబట్టి ఒకవేళ ఇది 100 రూపీస్‌లో ఉంది. ఒక 400కి వెళ్ళిందనుకో అప్పుడు 8,000 అనేది కాలిక్యులేట్ చేయలేదు సెన్సిబుల్ అప్పుడు. సో, అప్పుడు మనకి రిస్క్ అవుతదనమాట. ఎంత బయింగ్ ఉన్నా గాని. ఒకవేళ 16,650 పుట్ ఒకటి ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ పెరిగిందనుకో 16,600 కాల్‌కి 17,100 కాల్‌కి 1 సెకండ్ ఐ మిస్‌రెడ్ ఇట్ కరెక్ట్. 16 ఓకే. 600 బయింగ్ తీసుకున్నాం. స్టాడిల్ ఎన్ని పొజిషన్స్? 1 పొజిషనా? 2 పొజిషన్సా? అంటే బేసిక్‌గా 1 లాటా? 2 లాటా అని? హుహు. 1 లాట్ 2 ఆహాహాహా! ఓకే. ఐ అగ్రీ. ఓకే. 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 ఆహా! నేను నేను ఐ ఐ థాట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 1 లాట్. ఓకే. చలో. 1 లాటేనా? హ్మ్. చూడు మరి నీకు 1 లాట్ ఉంది అంటే బడ్జెట్ డే రోజు అంటే రేపు గాని ఈ 2 రోజులు ఏం చేస్తాడంటే నీకు ఈ మార్జిన్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఎక్కువ ఉందని చెప్తాడు. సో, యువర్ మార్జిన్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ అనేది హెడ్జింగ్ చేసావు కదా! అతను నీకు తక్కువ మార్జిన్ తీసుకొని ఉంటాడు. కానీ నీకు రేపు ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద డే గాని లేకపోతే ఎల్లుండి మార్నింగ్ కల్లా ఏం చేస్తాడు మొత్తం నీకు మార్జిన్ ఎక్కువ తీసుకుంటాడు. అది చెక్ చేసుకో ఒకసారి. ఓకే. యాహ్! బట్ ఐ థింక్ దట్స్ ఫైన్. 16,600 ఇట్ ఈస్ 500 పాయింట్స్ డౌన్ సైడ్ తర్వాత ఒక 450 పాయింట్స్ ఆన్ ది అప్పర్ సైడ్ కాబట్టి ఓకే. కిందవి బై చేసావు, సెల్ చేసావు. కాకపోతే ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు వన్ సైడ్ మూవ్‌మెంట్ ఉందనుకో 17,100 కాల్ ఏదైతే ఉందో అది బీభత్సంగా పెరిగిపోతది. అప్పుడు మనకు తెలుస్తదనమాట. సో, ఓకే. నిఫ్టీ స్ట్రాంగ్. నిఫ్టీలో అసలు నువ్వు చూసుంటే అసలు బ్యాంక్ నిఫ్టీ పడుతున్నా గూడా నిఫ్టీ అసలు పడట్లేదు సరిగ్గా నీకు. సో, స్టిల్ మెయింటైనింగ్ ఎ బై పొజిషన్ నిఫ్టీ. సారీ బ్యాంక్ నిఫ్టీ, నిఫ్టీ రెండిట్లలో ప్రస్తుతానికైతే. కానీ రేపైతే మాత్రం ఐఎమ్ నాట్ గోయింగ్ టు లీవ్ దిస్ బ్యాంక్ నిఫ్టీ ఆర్ నిఫ్టీ. టుమారో ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టు బి అట్‌లీస్ట్ సమ్ 10% or 15% profit should be there tomorrow. It is trying to break this today's high somehow. You see this? Okay. It is trying to break that. It is trying to break that. ये तो थोड़ा धीरे धीरे आ रहा है भाई, इसीलिए मुश्किल दिख रहा है उसको. चलो, we'll have to still wait for another level though. Mm-hmm. This has to be a retest zone for this, at least. What was the high of 38,000 call? Okay. Look at that. Such a huge fall. Suddenly. That's in 3-minute candles. Suddenly in 3-minute candle. One side movement is just just yeah, that's right, ante correct. But I would say నా సిన్సియర్ సజెషన్ ఏంటంటే ట్రై నీకు లాస్ కాంప్రమైజ్ అయితే లాంగ్ స్ట్రాడిల్ ట్రై చేయి. లాంగ్ స్ట్రాడిల్, షార్ట్ స్ట్రాడిల్ కాదు, లాంగ్ స్ట్రాడిల్ ట్రై చేయి, హెడ్జింగ్ లేకుండా. దెన్ యూనో ఇఫ్ యూఆర్ రెడీ ఫర్ దట్ వన్ సైడ్ లాస్ అనుకుంటే లాంగ్ స్ట్రాడిల్ బాగుంటుంది నీకు. బడ్జెట్ రోజు ఓన్లీ ఇంట్రాడే, బడ్జెట్ ఇంట్రాడే అయితే. We shall only wait, guys. We shall only wait. Don't take any new positions. No fresh positions for now. तो वेट करेंगे हम. Okay. Huge volatilities, huge gap downs, huge gap ups. Oh, फंस जाऊंगी. So you have to be careful, guys. But today it's going to be option sellers day, not a buyers day. It's going to be option sellers. Whoever is playing straddles, strangles should be in good profit. At least today. Yeah, it is. How many points down by today? Bank Nifty is like down by some 470 points, man. It's a huge one today for Bank Nifty. Yes, I'm actually looking for some news if there is any news, because if there is a huge down momentum like that, it's normally due to some news. हाँ, इकोनॉमिक सर्वे लाइव अपडेट चल रहा है. हाँ. इकोनॉमिक सर्वे का चल रहा है अभी, मगर आई डोंट सी एन इशू देयर. बट यू नो द मार्केट में you have lot of tension that's prevailing, इसीलिए you get to see lot of them. Support గా యాక్ట్ అవుతుంది, బ్రేక్ అయితే మోర్ ఫాల్ 17 to 93 talking. It could be. See, Nifty may I don't see an issue because Nifty may eventually it will pull back up. If not today or probably tomorrow. Okay. Okay. This is because of the economic survey that's in on the table today. So there is an economic survey. So probably there is attention that's prevailing around. So because of that, you would see huge volatility. So you can see a complete downfall, or it could be a complete reversal. So that's why I told you not to take any fresh positions now. Avoid taking any fresh positions. Don't take. అవునా, నైస్ నైస్. యా, ఇక్కడ ఎందుకంటే ఇట్ వాజ్ లైక్ డబుల్ టాప్ దట్ ఇట్ వాస్ ట్రైంగ్ టు ఫార్మ్ బేసికలీ. ఎందుకంటే the buyers were not so strong here, and the sellers are trying to pull it down. So that is why when there is a trend line which is broken, you see a sudden fall there. But I am not comfortable trading there now, because there is a tension in the market, and it could take a reversal or it can still come down. So there are both ways. It can be anything. And as I said yesterday in the video, I would always wait for the retest to come in, otherwise I will not. Okay. I would always wait for that retest to come in. So this was the retest that I was actually expecting. You see, this is the retest that I was talking about yesterday. Come and take a retest and falls down. That's a retest zone, if you remember. That's something like this which I would normally wait for. So I'm not interested in trading just because it gave me some 2-3 red candles. No. अभी तो I don't see a reason why we should enter. No fresh positions के लिए I am not entering. Mm. FI selling, I think there is there is a gap. Okay. So probably you might see a fall up to this level, at least to this level. And if this is broken, you would see some more fall here, 17,200 level. That's fine. See, I am only looking for intraday and short-term trades. అందుకే I took it in 1 minute time frame. But if you are actually looking for a view, something like straddles and strangles, etc., 5 minute is good. Okay. No, no, no. Don't buy CE, Mohit. No, no. No fresh positions, I'm saying. No fresh positions. But if you want, you can take Nifty put. Nifty put try कर सकते हैं. I am expecting at least up to some 60-70 points का downfall देख रहा हूँ मैं at least. So if this is broken, then you will see some more fall. But Nifty में थोड़ा downfall दिखेगा मुझे. So I mean, so I am expecting at least. One, because there is a gap pending. Okay. Secondly, because it has already broken that support zone at the top, and it has become a resistance now. So let it break today's low at least, then you can probably take a put option. If it breaks today's low, at least in 5 minute candle, take a put option and hold it. Okay, ये तो बोल सकता हूँ मैं. Probably around this zone. Okay. So if this is broken at least in 5 minute candle, take a put option. ఇదివా నిఫ్టీ కూడా అంతే. నిఫ్టీ కూడా బేరిషా ఉంది, బుల్లిష్ ఉంది. అది వాలటైల్ బేసిక్గా నేను మార్నింగ్ నేను చెప్తున్నట్టు అప్ డౌన్ అప్ డౌన్. సో నిఫ్టీలో ఇప్పుడు సి ది ఓన్లీ డిఫరెన్స్ నీకు ఎందుకు ఇది స్ట్రాంగ్, నాకు మార్నింగ్ కూడా నిఫ్టీ స్ట్రాంగే అనిపించింది. కానీ బ్యాంక్ నిఫ్టీలో నీకు ఏంటంటే మూమెంట్ ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది కాబట్టి యూసీ ఫాల్ లైక్ దిస్. అంతేగాని ఇది మూమెంట్ ఎక్కువ ఉంది, ఇది తక్కువ ఉందని కాదు బేసిక్గా. సో ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు నిఫ్టీలో ఒక 300 పాయింట్స్ 500 పాయింట్స్ మూవ్ అయితే బ్యాంక్ నిఫ్టీలో 700-800 పాయింట్స్ మూవ్ కనపడుతుంది. సో అందుకే యూ సీ అ బిగ్ క్యాండిల్స్ ఇయర్. అంతేగాని నిఫ్టీలో కూడా నిఫ్టీలో 1-2-3 క్యాండిల్స్ వచ్చినా కానీ ఇక్కడ చూడు ఎంత బిగ్ ఫాల్ వస్తుందో. సో సమ్వేర్ అరౌండ్ 37,900 నుంచి 37,650 వరకు వచ్చింది, దాదాపు 250 పాయింట్స్. సో మూమెంట్ అలా ఉంటుంది అనమాట. ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఒక 20-30 పాయింట్స్ లేకపోతే 100 పాయింట్స్ మూవ్ అయితే ఇది 150-200 పాయింట్స్ మూవ్ అవుతుంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ వేర్ యూ సీ ఎ డిఫరెన్స్. దట్స్ వై. బట్ వీ ఆల్వేస్ గో బై ద లెవెల్స్, ఆఫ్ కోర్స్. లెవెల్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. కానీ ఇది ఒకవేళ రీటెస్ట్ అయితే మాత్రం ఇట్స్ గోయింగ్ టు బి డేంజరస్ గైస్. ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి అ రీటెస్ట్, దెన్ ఇట్స్ గోయింగ్ టు బి వెరీ డేంజరస్ ఫాల్. అని ఇప్పుడు న్యూస్ ఉండడం వల్ల ఇప్పుడు ఏమవుతుందంటే బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ బడ్జెట్ న్యూస్ అండ్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ టెన్షన్స్ అరౌండ్ ద గ్లోబల్ మార్కెట్స్, you see huge volatility. So I don't expect one way momentum unless if there is a huge negative news, like ఈరోజు you see that there is a news that's coming in, right? For what do you call it as, sorry, economic data ka news hai आज. So if that turns out to be very bad, you will see a lot of free fall. Otherwise it is going to be good. Okay. అదాని విల్మార్ ఐపీఓ ఎవరైనా చేసుకున్నారా? ఓన్లీ 6 స్టాక్స్ డిక్లైన్, 44 స్టాక్స్ అడ్వాన్సింగ్. సెక్టార్స్ స్టాక్స్ అని చూస్తున్నా. స్టాక్ యూ షుడ్ యాక్చువల్లీ లుక్ ఎట్ సెక్టార్స్ వైజ్. స్టాక్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్సో ఫైన్. ఇప్పుడు సెక్టార్స్ వైజ్ నిఫ్టీ ఈజ్ డిపెండెంట్. సెక్టార్స్ ఆర్ ఆల్వేస్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఉన్న సెక్టార్స్లో ఒక ప్రైవేట్ బ్యాంక్ సెక్టరే ఒక 54 పాయింట్స్ డౌన్ ఉంది, కానీ మిగతావన్నీ అప్ ఉన్నాయి. సో బికాస్ నిఫ్టీ డస్ నాట్ కన్సిడర్ ఈచ్ స్టాక్, ఇండెక్స్ వైజ్ కాదు, ఇప్పుడు సెక్టార్ వైజ్ కన్సిడర్ చేస్తుంది. కాబట్టి వీ షుడ్ లుక్ ఎట్ కంప్లీట్ సెక్టార్స్ అనమాట. ఆటో, కమాడిటీ, కన్జంప్షన్, అలా బేసిక్గా. సో ఇప్పుడు ఆ ఎంటైర్ సెక్టర్ అప్ ఉంటే మనకి యూ వుడ్ సీ అన్ అప్ మూవ్. అండ్ ఓకే, 6 స్టాక్స్ 7 స్టాక్స్ అనేవి ఒకే సెక్టర్ అంటే దెన్ ఇట్స్ ఎ డిఫరెంట్ కేస్ అగైన్. And just it is slowly धीरे धीरे जा रहा भाई. But this bank nifty is completely sideways there. It is falling for some time, consolidating and going up again, some kind of consolidation, again falls down. So not a good trend to follow. This is a retest zone. If you remember, I told you this. Some kind of retest zone in Nifty as well. So you might see further downfall if it breaks it. I want Nifty to go up, man. I am direly in need of Nifty to go up. I want that one to be done. Somehow, I am actually looking for some set of profits. So, I'm not satisfied with the profits I have. It's very, very little profits I have. So, let me update it here for us to view. It sounds like a retest. So probably, some more fall in Bank Nifty is expected up to 37,580. Another 200 points or so, I guess. At least one side the trend has to be broken, on the upper side or the downside. So तब लेंगे, तब देखेंगे क्या होता बोल के. निफ्टी में कैसे चल रहा है? It is still there, still sideways. No, not feeling like trading, man. No trading zone. Completely no trading zone. I don't think I would want to enter any position now. This is going to be a gap, where there was a huge gap here. Nifty, Bank Nifty. Okay. So wait for the retest here, guys. Okay, if you want a quick scalping trade, whoever is online, if you guys want, quick scalping trade, wait for one retest, or maybe if next candle goes red and the third candle goes green, then take a call option. Okay, otherwise avoid it. Okay. Otherwise, if you still want to wait for long time, probably if you want real level to trade on, you need to wait for this trend line to come, then only you take a trade. Otherwise, any of this is fine, I would say. If it is taking a retest here and then going up, you wait for this level to come, or if it takes a retest here as well, you can take another entry. Retest to nahi diya, so I'm not going to take an entry. No, I will not take an entry if there is no retest, that's for sure. Let it go if it wants, but I will not take an entry. Okay. Then next level to watch out is if this goes above this trend line and takes a retest, then you take an entry. Okay. I hope at least this time it breaks it. It is trying since morning. Since morning it is trying to break that level. चलो देखते हैं क्या हो रहा. Okay. If it is a higher high, let's look at it. Higher highs. Okay. And Nifty may, I'll tell you what to do. Okay, guys. See. Nifty may wait for this level. If it is actually falling now, wait for this level and take a little leap at least. A small leap here. So for example, if it is slowly coming down here and forms a green candle, which is like a retest, then you take an entry for another high, which is going to be somewhere here. Okay. This is going to be your target. Okay. Because I see kind of, higher highs it is trying to form. Okay. फायदा ही नहीं है, so I'm gonna close this. And meanwhile, let's look at one or two stocks. दल भारत कैसे चल रहा है भाई, चेक करेंगे हम. दल भारत. No doubt it's a bearish momentum. It has to break today's low, then you will see a further fall in Dal Bharat. So long positions in on put side can be taken in Dal Bharat if it breaks today's low. Not today's low, even 1756, the latest low, I would say. Okay. It is completely down. Daily time frame में कैसे चल रहा है? Yeah, obviously it is going to fall, man. Dal Bharat, guys, you can take a long put option, I would say. Long put options. चलो मैं देता हूँ guys. 1764 पे चल रहा है ना? Okay. So let's see if it is a 1750 put option. Sorry. No. The buy and sell prices are very far. Let's look at now is 1700 put option. So Dalbar 1700 put can be traded with a limit of 37 rupees. Okay, that should be your limit. Okay, that's a premium one I'm going to give. Okay. Okay, what is going on with this? Okay, probably it is trying to hit the trend line on top. Higher high के हिसाब से चल रहा हो. Okay. It is looking good there. Bank Nifty is also kind of reversal after the kind of double pattern, double bottom at the bottom. Then that is when you see a reversal there. చూద్దాం 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 చూద్దాం. Okay. So I would say, guys, evening around 3 o'clock, 3:15, क्या करेंगे हम? You take any at the money option. In at the money, Nifty or Bank Nifty. Okay, I would say Bank Nifty is good because it will have lot of huge volatility. Take both put and call. At the money, long straddle basically. Okay, basically try long straddle in Bank Nifty evening. Okay. ठीक है, तो बोल दिया. So that is one strategy that you can follow. I think budget एक strategy. कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. So हम वेट करेंगे भाई, अभी तो वेट करना है इसमें. So whatever we have it. Have it. Okay. Almost near to that trend line, guys. Wait for that entry. Again, as I'm telling you, okay, it is taking rejection exactly around that zone. Okay, let's get into the 3-minute time frame. Okay, it's actually good. Guys, you just wait for until the end of the day. I'm telling you guys, we will make budget day entries today as well. Okay. No, no, we are trading. We are trading, of course. I told you right above this trend line, you can take a position, Bulk. Not giving us an entry. So if you don't get an entry, avoid it, please. Naine, come on. Madha, what did I tell you? I told you that trend line, right? If you remember, if it breaks and takes a retest, then you take it. Tab tak you don't take it. Okay, Nifty में you, I think you can take call. Nifty में बन रहा है थोड़ा. Take call in Nifty that 17,350 or 17,300 call ले लो. Nifty में. If you have taken, your position should be somewhere here. Around this level. If you have taken already, this would be your profit and stop loss. This would be your stop loss. Thoda, okay. And your immediate target will be here. That's it. Okay, that's going to be your short trade in Nifty. Okay. Even in Bank Nifty, I think after this red candle, if there is a green candle that is actually closing above this, then you take a call option. Okay. Then you take a call option above this candle. Okay. Somewhere here. Okay. That's going to be your call option with a stop loss of this, and your target will be here. Your pala target is here. Yes. That's where it is going to be. If you take an entry there. Okay. You wait for this trend line to active. It has to be active above this level. तब लेंगे. Okay. Wait for that level to get activated, guys. Wait for that level. Only then you take an entry. Okay. So the entry is activated. So now this should have been your entry because it has moved up from 887 912 के साथ. So your entry should be somewhere here, and then target will be around 87 points. Yeah, so around 87 points, and with a stop loss of some very short, very small stop loss. Okay, let's put it there. That's it. 36 points of stop loss. Okay. And if this actually breaks latest high, and that is when you would see good up move as well there. ठीक है. हो गया हिट हो गया भाई. इसका स्टॉप लॉस तो हिट हो गया. 30 पॉइंट्स का स्टॉप लॉस हिट हो गया. Then next entry will be only above this line, above this red line. Only once above that red line you take a fresh entry, otherwise avoid it. Okay. Mm, so if this is above this trend line, चलो उसके ऊपर लिए तो हम, then it's going to be stop loss will be here, and your target will be somewhere here. Okay, so that's only above that trend line basically. Okay, until then no fresh entry. How is this? This is only playing around, man. Higher lows, higher highs, lower lows, multiple things. So it's only eating SLs every put side and call side. दोनों खा रहा है भाई. So अभी तो छोड़ दो भाई, छोड़ दो अभी तो नको. Don't take any fresh positions. No fresh positions. It is completely, eating everyone's premium there. Not मौका तो नहीं मिल रहा भाई. I think we can only look out more number of stocks here. And or as I said, whoever is making some straddles and strangles, they should be in profit. Not doing anything. Just wait for the positions to come in. कैसे बड़ा पूछे तो मुझे पूछे तो मैं क्या करूं भाई? नीचे क्या है भाई वो? क्या पूछती? Come on, it's sideways there. No fresh entry. Dal Bharat can be still entered, I guess. What price it is? 40. चलो गया भाई, 40 तो गया. Fresh entry तो नहीं बन रहा भाई. So we'll have to come out of this particular range. Whatever the range that you see, it has to be out of this range. If it breaks on the upper side, we'll see some momentum. At least our target will be met. उसके बाद if it is actually breaking downside momentum, हमको और put मिलेगा. ठीक है. Okay. It isn't even coming to that level to enter. So it's still a wait time. Canara Bank is okay, I guess. Canara Bank is superb. Canara Bank is a high, superb it is. Okay, so it is not even at that buying price for us. So let it come to that buying price. Let it come down to that, come up to buying zone, then only you take an entry. Otherwise, avoid. No fresh positions until the target is reached. Okay. Nifty, maybe it is like completely sideways. Eventually, it has to break, 373 level. Then only you will see some more up move. Otherwise, I don't think there will be an opportunity for us to take any fresh entry. निफ्टी में you can take a position here once it breaks this level. ठीक है, once this breaks this level above this zone, you take an entry here. Okay, and your target will be this, and your stop loss will be this. Okay, yep, that's in Nifty basically. Bank Nifty may know we are not getting an entry at all. No entry for now. Is anyone looking for some cash option? Not option. Cash positions. Okay. यस मोहित भाई, आप कर सकते यस। चलो देखो, टारगेट तो हिट हो गया भाई इसमें. डन. वन टारगेट इज हिट. We have booked our profits there. It has crossed today's high. So let's wait for 373 level to break. Okay. Done. 373 level break करने दो, हम देखेंगे. अब देखेंगे. And this is okay. This is also active. Okay. Bank Nifty is also active. Nifty में we have already hit the target. Nifty देख लो भाई, it is about to break that 373. If it is breaking and sustaining above that level, we are going to go long, obviously. ठीक है. 17500 कॉल कैसे चल रहा है भाई? ठीक है. Hope you guys are booking it. Hope you guys are booking it. So Bank Nifty में भी we are like 30 points to the target. Almost 30 points to the target. ठीक है. प्लीज लाइक करते चलो भाई, लाइक करते चलो. कल का मूवमेंट आज ही देगा शायद. About to break it. About to break it, guys. About to break it. मिस हो गए आप. काम हुई तो भाई. अभी भी ले सकते हैं. Not see. Okay, Mohit, let me tell you this. If 373 is broken, okay, if this is broken, and you wait for at least 2 candles to break, and above that second candle you take a price, or if it takes a retest, then above the third candle you buy it. Okay, otherwise don't buy it. It is taking a strong resistance there, so you have to wait. ब्रेक हो गया भाई. चेक कर लो. चेक योर पोजीशंस guys. Our target is also hit. Target is also hit. Okay, one target is done. Target is done here. Okay, we'll wait for this one to break again. This zone. Once this is broken, तब लेंगे हम. ठीक है. This is going to be third trade, fourth trade. Scalping basically, but yes.